Hello everybody. This is some stuff from section 4.1, but I wanted to go over it here just so we have it on the videos for review. And so just a reminder, when we're looking for critical points of f of x, and they give us the graph of f of x, well, what are we looking for? Well, the definition of this critical point is that we want f prime of x to be equal to 0, right? And so what does that mean for when we're looking at the graph of f of x? Well, we want f prime of x to be 0, so we want the slope, remember that f prime of x really means slope, we want the slope of the tangent line to be 0, right? And so this is going to happen at several different points on this graph. So like if we start maybe before a, we can say, well, what's the slope here? Well, it's positive, right? The slope of the tangent line is positive, but as we come over to a, we can kind of take a look and see, oh, wait a minute, at a, my slope, well, that was really bad. But my slope at A, you guys can kind of see, is 0. Right? And similarly, if I come over to D, it's also 0. And if I go all the way over to K, it's 0. So those are 3 points that I kind of have right away, right? So I know that I have A, D, and K. But I actually kind of skipped one in between here. We're looking for points where F prime is 0, and I just kind of went past one, right? So there's actually this point in the middle, f here, where if I draw the slope of the tangent line, if I draw it over here, it's positive. If I draw it over here, it's positive. But as I get closer and closer to f, it actually flattens out, right? The slope of my tangent line is 0. So that's another type of critical point that you're going to have to look for.